And we are here with the Backyard Girls again. Today we'll be making squishums. They're cupcakes, but they're like, well, they're not edible though. They are slimes. So I've already made one here, so that you don't have to watch me try and figure things out. Here we are today. Yes, I do have my mask on, but who cares? Okay, let's just get this video started. I'm trying to get it set up. There we go. Okay. So, let's get started. You can see me now. So, what we already did, we put our mixes or our flour into my little tiny baby mixing bowl with 60% mixing stuff and some water. All that there, all done. And then, so that you don't have to watch me do that, so I didn't film that, but that's okay. So, we have our little sprinkles too, to make our slime nice and crunchy. So, I don't know why, but I keep doing this today, just ignore that, but it's what one of my coaches do. So, this is some of our frosting. We also got our mini bag of frosting that we can reload with that pink stuff. Okay. I almost did that again. Okay. Sorry about that. That just fell there because Marissa moved the camera a little, but that's okay. I'll make it fix. Now, so what you're going to do is you're going to open one of these little packs of cupcakes that they already have made for you. All packaged up, you got to open it. So, you got to open it. And I lost my voice a little, so I'm a little sick today. But no, I don't have COVID. Okay, that's much better. That changed in voice. Have that. And then you can take your colored frosting. I got white right now. My icing. And you're going to squeeze the tiny bag onto your tiny cupcake. Like that. Come on. Come on out. Don't be shy. Warning, do not eat these. If you do try them, do not eat. These ones are from Kohl's. I got them for my birthday. My birthday passed a little bit ago. So squeeze it on. So you have it like on however you want. I didn't make it look pretty, but that's okay. So you have heart sprinkles. I'm not going to use them today, but you also have these circle sprinkles. So you can decorate them, sprinkle them on like this. A lot of blue sprinkles. Put one orange one. Just a little bit more for your cupcakes. I mean, cupcakes. And then you just, so much. Oh no, oops. Look at this, Mikhail. Oh, that's okay. Let's just put on some sprinkles and it's kind of hard to put these on so that they stay and don't bounce off. Because these are rubber sprinkles. They're not sugar sprinkles. Make our little cupcake. Oh, two of them just fell off. Okay. Put that back on. Put that sprinkle back on. Okay. Now that we got those on, we gotta coat it in our slime-like solution so that it dries and it makes it crunchy when you like push it or something like that. I don't know exactly. And then there you go. You want to coat it nicely for all of it so that it's nice and coated. It kind of covers up your sprinkles, so I like putting on extra sprinkles after you do that so that you can kind of bring the colors back and so that you can see it more. It kind of looks like icing. So it's gonna look like this after you put it on. It's like glue and it'll help it stay on. it makes the sprinkles show less, so you can put more on after. But I'm not gonna do that right now because we don't have much time. So the next ones are gonna be time lapse, but that's how you make them. And then there are so many other colors. They have like green and teal too, so that we can make them. But so far I have two pinks. But yeah. So let's get going. Time lapse. So now that I've done a few, well, you're supposed to wait for each one for like 30 minutes for it to dry. So I should probably make a few more. That's not going to be in the video though, because that's going to be too long of a video. But so we're going to make a few more so that we can wait for this first one we have here, so we can crack it. I think what you do is like you squeeze the bottom and it comes out and it's like slime. Ooh, it's really not nice. I probably shouldn't be touching that, but okay. So for now, that's it, but we'll be back in a sec. Bye-bye. Oops. One more done. Something bad just happened because this is starting to dry out and I think I'll need to make a new solution soon. Oh well. So we got one more done. Here you go. So I'm running into some bad things though. My solution here for my icing is starting to dry out and I think I might need to make another one. So let's make another one, I guess. Let's start making a new one. So now you can see how I made it. So I just took my powder, poured some into a bowl. It's like flour. It makes everything like sticky, like flour would in a reel. If you baked with something real, this is like your flour. It actually might be flour, I don't know. It's acting like a flour here, so how I measure it is I'll take a whole syringe full and I'll fill it, and then I'll just like carefully squirt it into the bowl. Like so. Uh-oh, I spilled a little. That's why I have these mini napkins here to help me out. Still cleaner! And then I would stir it with my spoon. Right here, it came with a spoon this set. So, and then I would stir it until it was liquidy. It's kind of liquidy again. Don't like how it's still a little rough from the last one. So it still has these chunky pieces in it, but it'll work. It's getting chunky. That probably means that it's almost time for me to reveal the first one I made. We're gonna wait a little longer just to be sure. So before I put the white icing stuff on, I think this one might have had to been my favorite like color combination. It's purple with green. It looked really super duper pretty, as you can see here. But I think it's time for the big reveal. Let me get Marissa for this. So let's get Marissa. Marissa, come here. Ooh, you just jumped out of the sky. Wow. Yeah. So here's Marissa for our big reveal for this one. Right here, I think it's done. Here, did you squirt?
Yeah.
Ooh. That's an explosion of cupcakeness.
Explosion.
Oh wow. This is some good stuff. Let's see. Mix some up. Mix some up.
And I supposed to remind you guys if you guys want to do something with the pumpkin.
It's like a buttery slime type of thing.
Right?
It's
It feels
absolutely
very
perfect.
moist.
You want to up the pumpkin?
It's very.
It's like a butter
Very
slime.
stretchy.
It's so perfect.
I'm pretty sure it's cloud slime.
Yeah, it's like a
Very
cloud slime or
fluffy.
something. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
And
And-
hit the like button.
Yep. And we'll
Peace.
see you next time. Go.